Hey y'all, wanted to make a quick update video. Changing out the stock turn signals that look like this, and then I'm going to this style here. I'll go ahead and turn them on so you can see them. That's the non-LED. And these are actually sequential. And then I'll go ahead and switch that other side. So now I just gotta go and it's getting a little late today, but I'm gonna go ahead and take the front off next time and do the front. I just cut the old wires off the old turn signal, wired them to the new turn signals. But oh, I also already installed the LED flasher relay. So that got installed earlier. I actually did that first. I took the fairing off, put that on, put the fairing back on, and then I'd already had the tail piece off. So then I took the turn signals off, brought them inside, and did all the wiring in there. It's like 40 degrees outside, so it was a little too cold to be farting around in the garage all day. But I took the rack off. So, curious to see. I think it looks better without the rack already. I'm gonna do the fender delete, but I gotta get a new tail light and the fender delete before I can do that. But overall, the mods are coming along pretty good. She's starting to come along. Thinking about putting DOT knobbies on it, but I'm still debating on that. But alright, just wanted to make that quick update video. Okie Rider out.